Please switch off the lights, fans and electrical gadgets when you are going out of your house or room or school or any places. In that way, you can stop global warming. For that, you can use this slogan. Stop. Did you turn off the lights? For that, you take one white paper and on that you just draw this figure. Okay, otherwise you can take one yellow color paper and draw this figure and paste it on the paper. And like this, you can take one semicircle and bits of paper and paste this paper on this. After that, you take one marker and write the slogan. For every slogan, you can use marker, scale and you can write the slogans. I will explain you how to make this. It is very easy. Take one blue paper, draw one circle with the pencil, then cut it. After that, in this way, you cut some pieces of green paper and put it on the सर्कल. ये सर्कल के ऊपर आप ऐसे ग्रीन वाला पार्ट लगाइए. येलो कलर पेपर से ऐसे हैंड का आप लगाइए, स्टिक कीजिए एंड वन हाउस you stick on the top of the earth. This way you can make this, and I am sending this picture to the description box. For the poster, you take one piece of paper like this and cut this in this way. Okay, and draw some drops in blue color paper, and you can make water drops. And for that you use paper and marker, nothing else, and little bit of Fevicol you use and stick it in the here in this part. I will put the pictures in description box. The next poster you can use how to save our earth. What you can do, you can take the cleanliness part. For that you can use this slogan, cleaner, greener. How you will keep your earth clean? You always put your waste in the waste bin. Keep your surrounding clean. Clean earth, greener. Like this you can make one ainak, Gandhiji's ainak, and you can draw these pictures very easy, and you can post Gandhiji's picture also, and any other picture if you want to paste on this you can paste. And this thing also you can use. This is wet dustbin and this is dry dustbin. All of you use wet waste in the green one and the dry waste in the blue one. For that also I have taken only paper in the dustbin shape and paste it on the paper. Like this you can do. The next thing to take care of our earth, what you will do, you take care of your plant and tree. In your surrounding, plants and trees are there, you take care of it. How you will take care of your plant? Don't cut trees. See, don't write anything on the tree. Always love tree. Don't pluck flowers and leaves. Try to water your plants and trees regularly. And for that you can use plant a tree, get air for free. This slogan you can use.
Like, share, subscribe.